The Milwaukee Hex Lock 2-in-1 tap and die threading handle is a versatile tool for internal and external threading. It is compatible with 1-inch hex dies and the Milwaukee Tap Collet, offering convenience and flexibility. With its ergonomic grip and all-metal construction, it provides comfort, control, and durability. The tool-free die and tap collet changes make it user-friendly and efficient. Benefits include versatility for creating, repairing, and customizing threaded parts, suitable for machining, assembly, and maintenance. This reliable tool ensures precise and reliable threading operations. Choose the Milwaukee Hex Lock 2-in-1 tap and die threading handle for durability, versatility, and ease of use. Milwaukee 8-inch long nose pliers provide professionals with superior grip and effortless cutting. The cross-hatched, laser-hardened teeth ensure maximum grip during pulling and twisting tasks. The optimized pivot point offers excellent leverage for tough cuts. These pliers deliver a smooth open and close experience right from the start, requiring no break-in period. They offer additional versatility with a reaming head for conduit and a fish tape puller. Tether-ready options include dipped grip with a split ring hole and comfort grip with a lanyard hole. Made in the USA with high-quality materials including durable, press-forged steel and backed by a lifetime guarantee. The Milwaukee Nitrous Carbide. Oscillating multi-tool blades are high-performance blades designed to cut through various materials. With a unique carbide blend, they offer 2x faster cuts and 2x longer life compared to traditional carbide teeth products. The blades feature a reinforced universal fit open lock anchor for enhanced control and strength. Available in extreme materials and extreme metal varieties, they are ideal for different cutting applications. These blades are made in the USA with global materials and come in 1, 3, or 5 packs. With a cutting width of 1, 3, 8, and a max plunge, cut depth of 2, they are laser etched for easy identification and coated for corrosion resistance. The Ryobi USB Lithium LED Magnifying Light is a compact and portable tool that offers 3x magnification for precise visibility. With 200 lumens of light output and high-low brightness modes, it provides customizable lighting for different tasks. Powered by a USB lithium battery, it offers up to 16 hours of runtime. This magnifying light is ideal for reading, sewing, and assembling small parts. It is also beneficial for individuals with age or vision-related challenges. With a 2-year warranty, the Ryobi USB Lithium LED Magnifying Light is a reliable and affordable option to enhance visibility and productivity. The Ryobi 18V1 Plus multi-size ratchet is a versatile cordless tool designed for a variety of applications. With compatibility for 1/4 or 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive sockets, it offers flexibility for different tasks. The 4-position rotating head and variable speed trigger provide ease of use and control. Delivering up to 35 foot-pounds of torque and operating at 260 revolutions per minute, it is ideal for automotive installation and assembly jobs. The dual LED work lights ensure visibility in dimly lit areas. As part of the Ryobi One Plus system, it can be powered by any 18V1 Plus battery. Compact and efficient, the Ryobi 18V1 Plus multi-size ratchet is a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Ryobi 18V 1 Plus HP brushless Swift Clean midsize spot cleaner is a cordless spot cleaner that offers powerful suction with its brushless motor. It is compatible with the Ryobi 18V 1 Plus battery platform, providing convenience and portability. The spot cleaner includes various accessories for versatile cleaning, such as a wide path nozzle, crevice tool, and detail brush. It is lightweight, making it easy to carry around, and it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Although it delivers strong performance, it can be a bit noisy and comes at a higher price point compared to corded spot cleaners. Overall, it is a reliable and efficient choice for those seeking a cordless spot cleaner with impressive suction power. The Metabo HPT 18V multivolt brushless 18-gauge compact brad nailer is a powerful and versatile tool designed for woodworking applications. It features a brushless motor for high performance and long battery life, driving up to 2 nails per second with no ramp-up time. The nailer accepts 5/8 inches to 2 inches 18-gauge nails and offers toolless depth adjustment, LED light for low light conditions, and a side lock switch for safety. It comes with a lifetime lithium-ion tool body warranty. With its powerful motor, fast nail driving speed, and wide range of accepted nail lengths, the Metabo HPT is an excellent choice for professional and DIY woodworkers. However, it can be heavy for some users and lacks a belt hook, while also being a bit pricey. The Metabo HPT is a powerful and versatile cordless belt sander designed for woodworking applications. With its brushless motor, it delivers up to 3,500 OPM for efficient sanding. The variable speed dial allows for precise control, and the 3 inches x 21 inches belt provides a large sanding surface. The sander features a dust collection port for clean sanding, and it is powered by a 36V multivolt battery compatible with other Metabo HPT tools. Although it offers powerful performance, it can be a bit heavy and lacks a replaceable belt, which may limit its longevity. Additionally, it is a higher-priced option. Introducing the Ryobi USB Lithium 2A lithium rechargeable batteries, designed for convenience and versatility. These batteries are perfect for charging small portable devices like phones and smartwatches while on the go. The onboard LED fuel gauge provides clear battery level status, eliminating guesswork. With a USB-C charging port, these batteries can be easily charged using any USB-C cable. They are interchangeable across all USB lithium products, ensuring cordless portability and minimal downtime. Backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, the Ryobi USB Lithium 2A lithium rechargeable batteries offer reliable power and peace of mind. Expand your Ryobi One Plus system with the 18-volt One Plus Jump Starter Kit, a versatile solution for jump-starting your car. Use any Ryobi 18-volt One Plus battery and the included 2A battery to jump-start your vehicle up to 20 times. Capable of jump-starting engines up to 6, 0LV8 with 1600 peak amps and 800 cold cranking amps. It operates in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. The jump starter ensures safety with anti-spark technology and reverse polarity protection. With the onboard quick start guide, you can jump your car in as little as 60 seconds. The LED work light enhances visibility in low-light situations. It is part of the Ryobi One Plus system, allowing compatibility with any 18V One Plus battery. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the Jump Starter Kit is a reliable companion for car emergencies. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.